Hello and welcome to the last day of the 21-day Skype Reiki with Reiki Master Suchika Rao. And I'm really glad to have Suchika Rao on Story to Satori. And we had a beautiful journey of 21 days when she gave us theory and she gave us many sessions of healing on various parameters. She gave the benefits of doing Reiki, especially in this context to children and to parents, because she is actually an expert in giving Reiki, healing children and to the teens. She's dealing with that already, and she gives online Skype healing to the and what through WhatsApp as well. And now I want Suchika to end this whole 21 days of a wonderful journey with an offer she has come up with and some few words of how she felt being on the Story to Satori platform.
Thank you, Janvi, and thank you everybody who are watching me and who have been watching me consistently. I would take this opportunity to thank Janvi today because she has been a wonderful guide and she is my coach and in helping me to groom myself to be able to put up all these 21 days and she has helped me brand my Reiki and help me uh, realize my own potential and make me realize all what I had within me and what I was doing and making me believe in myself. Thank you. And
Thank you. Thank you.
and she's been a very gentle and very helpful with this coaching too. And today I want to announce the package which I about my online courses. I always used to heal online, and I also had a online. I used to give online sessions, but now I'm going to start it as a course. And the package I will be announcing today is the one. It is going to be for uh, parents. Both the parents can do it uh, for the cost of for the energy exchange of what I used to request for one. I will be giving it to both the parents. Yes, and I will be adding in a module for so that it's customized for children. Yes, and uh, and I appreciate Janvi for everything and for the course and helping me start my online sessions
Thank,
here and my
thank you,
online course.
Suchika. Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much,
much.
Suchika. Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Reiki
Thank you,
Master.
Reiki. Thank you, Reiki, for bringing us to this
So
point.
much. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I would want, let's be in that Reiki energy.
I'll just
Yeah,
close. I will just end with a Reiki
sure.
symbol of healing now.
Yes.
Your mind just thank Reiki.
Thank you,
Thank,
Reiki.
thank you, gurus and guides, for being here. Open your eyes gently. And I would like to tell you the
Thank you,
register.
Reiki Master. Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Suchika. Yeah.
And I would like to tell you the registrations will begin for this will begin on the 9th for all
Okay.
for my courses. And
Hmm.
you can contact me on. I'll give you my number, which you can see
Yes.
along with the video here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. And follow Sushumna Reiki, and the hashtag will be there. And also, Suchika Rao is on Facebook on Sushumna Reiki Center, and she has her own page as well as has a profile. So please get in touch with her. And thank you so much, Suchika, for being on Story to Satori.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you very much.
I'm full of gratitude for Reiki and for you and for all the Reiki masters. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you. Really appreciate that.
Thank you.